Well, first of all, I think it's a new challenge that we had the opportunity to face together, this new championship, new format in this type of car, which is obviously going in the direction of the future. And yeah, well, I say why not? I'm very happy to have Laia with me. I'm very happy to help her to do the transition from motorcycles to car, and yeah, I think we are both very excited.
First, I didn't really know what to expect from it because it's completely a new concept about everything. Sharing the car with a girl, trying to bring some benefit for the ecology, driving an electric car in a new concept, a new style of race. I didn't really know, but finally it looked interesting.